we're looking at finding the missing value of the area. Again, all of this are puzzles. So you have to make use of certain set of clues that I might give, or you can pause and think over it now itself. To figure out this area, we need the length and width. So first thing is, let me use a common nomenclature. So anything that we talk along this left to right direction, I'll call it as length. Up and down, we'll call it as width. So let's try to figure out what can be the dimension. So we have 3 over here, 2 over here, 2 over here. We need a height over there. Okay. So again, we'll make use of the factor. So I'll give you guys a clue. Make use of factors. See, I can write 10 as 2 cross 5, right? Actually, oh, you know what? It need not be. So there's already 2. So 2 into 5 will give us 10. So this length has to be 5. Because this length is 5, this has to be 2 centimeter. Because 3 plus 2 is 5. Because this is 2, the width has to be 5 centimeter. Has to be 5 centimeter. Because this entire thing is 5 and this is 2, this has to be 3, and we found the answer. Okay, so let me repeat the entire thing again. Let me call them as with certain name, that will be easier. So I'll call this as area 1, area 2 and area 3. Now in A1, the length is what we are trying to figure out. We know that length into width is area. Length we don't know, right? Length is unknown. But width we know, width is 2. And this entire thing is 10. But we know that 5 into 2 is 10. And so we have the length to be 5 centimeter. Because entire length is 5 centimeter, this has to be, the unknown value is 2 centimeter. Therefore, I'll call it as length of room 2 is equal to 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2 centimeter. So we figured out the length of room 2. Now we'll figure out the width of room 2. Width of area 2, actually, not room 2. So width is, again, how do we figure it out? So for this, again, we'll make use of length into width. In this case, it's again equal to 10. So length we know, this is 2. Width we don't know, which is equal to, actually, let me write this as area. But 2 into 5 is 10. So therefore, what happens? So therefore, the width will be 5 centimeter. So this is, where is this? This is 5 centimeter. We have 5, we have 2. So this has to be 3 centimeter. And finally, we have width of area 3, which is 5 minus 3, which is 2 centimeter. Oh, sorry, 5 minus 2, that is 3 centimeter. And so this is 3, this is 3, then the area of A3 will be correct. Therefore, area of A3 is equal to 3 into 3, that is 9. Always remember square feet. Okay, yes. Yeah, this I was able to write bit systematically.